Fellow X Series enthusiasts, the upgrade you've been eagerly awaiting has finally arrived. Today, we're the first to unbox this brand new X27 Upgrade Edition and see exactly where it has undergone its transformation. Let us first peel away the protective film from the casing to examine this newly upgraded X27. At first glance, its overall structural rigidity appears markedly enhanced. Compared to its predecessor, its appearance is more rugged and robust. Many enthusiasts immediately seek out upgrade points. Regarding the motor, the X27 Upgrade Edition has made a remarkably confident choice, retaining the market-proven classic power plant, the same 3660310 kV brushless motor found in the X25. This is not stagnation, but rather a testament to its status as an indestructible cornerstone of performance. The transition from integrated systems to standalone units represents a crucial step for gamers advancing into professional domains. The X27 achieves precisely this, upgrading from an 85A ESC to an 80A ESC paired with a 5-channel independent receiver. It has evolved the X27 from a fast remote-controlled car into a truly controllable, customizable, and scalable professional model. In terms of battery life, we have addressed the most vexing issues for players: battery anxiety and waiting for cooldowns. 11.1 volts 3 seconds voltage is the ticket to performance vehicles. Compared to the common 7.4 volts to seconds battery, it can increase motor speed by approximately 50%, directly translating to higher top speeds and greater hill climbing power. More importantly, we have upgraded the helical differential. The emphasis lies not in being stronger, but in being more accurate, more stable, and more reliable. Finally, we come to the most crucial aspect of performance delivery: the newly upgraded tires. Let's examine the figures directly. Diameter 118mm, width 58mm. Compared to the previous model, this represents a meticulously calculated adjustment. The tread pattern, optimized for multiple terrains, delivers robust traction while ensuring reliable performance across diverse surfaces. So, is there anything about this newly upgraded X27 that particularly appeals to you? Do drop me a line in the comments section and let me know. We'll be back next time.